So, coming back to the Manipur as such, we'll go into the brief history of Manipur. You will understand. Manipur has got a rich culture. It is 2000-year-old rich culture of Manipur, you see. So, Manipur was being ruled by various kings in various times, and there was a time when Manipur's kingdom had extended right up to the entire Burma, which is now Myanmar, and right up to Yunnan, which is China. So a lot of people from there also migrated to this place, right? So what you're seeing on the screen at the moment is that Manipur consists of basically three clans, three type of people. One is Nagas, one is Meitei, and the other one is Kuki. But let me tell you that Nagas and Meiteis are the original people of Manipur. Yeah, let's go on to the first slide, please. This is the map of Manipur. I'm sure you must have seen this map. And what you see here in the center is the only plain area of Manipur. And that is the place where Meiteis are residing. And Meiteis are only about 6% of the total people, or 6% of this area which is there of Manipur. Meiteis have been made to settle down there. And they are basically Hindus. Yeah, they are all Hindus. Meiteis are Kattar Hindus. Please understand that. Okay, so having shown you the map, now we will go into the brief history, how it started off and what happened. Yeah, but basic language structure of Manipur is Manipuri, and it is the official language of the state. As I said, it has 2000-year-old history. All the kings who ruled Manipur were Meiteis, and Manipur dance is a famous dance format which a lot of people enjoy it. Okay, then you will be surprised to learn that polo game originated at Manipur. Manipur is a hill state, and its height above the sea level is 900 meters. You can convert it to feet if you want, and lies at the foothills of Himalayas. You that the Manipuris had extended their kingdom right up to Nagaland and Yunnan. Yunnan, though I said, but not included Nagaland. So Nagaland is on the northern side of Manipur, and Burma is almost to the eastern side. In year 1866, East India Company had by then arrived at Calcutta in Bengal, and they were slowly spreading their. So they used to have missionaries along with them, and they would send them there and convert the people. And that is how you have these cookies, where majority of them are Christians, right? Meiteis were, I said, Kattar Hindus who had become Hindus, and they did not easily convert to Christianity. And subsequently, in the year 1890, they tried to have war. They fought with Britishers with great zeal, and subsequently, naturally, they lost the war. Who? Manipur king. Naturally, they didn't have so many guns and your ammunition and all that stuff. So naturally, they would lose. And the king of that place, they were sent to Andaman Nicobar exile mein. As a punishment, they wanted these people to be under their eyes. So they made these Meiteis settled in the plain area. जो map आपने पहले देखा था. They didn't allow them to go into the hill. They said, you will all settle here only, in the plains, as a punishment kind of a thing. Privileges. All these cookies were given the special tribe, ST. SC to the scheduled caste. But they were also given the title of ST, cookies ko. As a result, cookies could go and buy land anywhere that they wanted. But Meiteis, who are the originals, and including Nagas, were not given that right. Manmohan Singh, when he signed that agreement, he said SOO wala, suspension of operations. The central paramilitary forces were removed from there. They were allowed to retain the arms. They were also given, each terrorist or the person who was having a weapon was given 6,000 rupees as a stipend every month by the Indian government, our taxpayers' money. Meiteis were disarmed. Cookies were allowed to keep the arms. Now see the disparity here. And all these cookies who were there on the hill tribe, they had, there a map dikhana. So अभी इफ यू सी ये वाला सेंटर वाला इलाका छोड़ करके चारों तरफ पहाड़ियों में कुकीज had settled and they had encircled this area. They were having their arms. मैती से आर्म्स ले लिया, इस बेचारों ने चुपचाप दे दिए. चीफ मिनिस्टर बीरेन सिंह, द प्रेजेंट गवर्नमेंट डिस्पेंसेशन, they bloody changed the Manipur overnight. If things are to be done, they can be done. Manipur became so lively. Tourism started improving, and people started earning money there. This is after 2017. Imagine. लेकिन एक चीज़ और रह गई थी जो हमारी हम पहले से मांग कर रहे हैं, जिसकी वो था हमारे को एसटी का स्टेटस देना चाहिए. It was the High Court ruling. It is done through the High Court. They realized that if that so happens, then all their areas would be come into limelight, and they will not be allowed to do what they are doing. Cookies are also involved in growing poppy plants, which I told you, and run a drug cartel, as they are located next to the Golden Triangle. And Chief Minister Biren Singh had also started doing that. He had sent in troops there. He had started destroying their poppy fields. They had started catching big, drug consignments, which is not liked by cookies. And Maitis were attacked, and when it started off in the month of May, what happened is कि all these cookies who are blaming कि हम लोगों को, they are saying कि हम लोगों को Maitis मारे, जबकि weapons उनके पास थे. That is how the violence started in Manipur, and we need to control that. So far, as I said, the opposition is crying foul. Prime Minister should come here and solve problems. As I said, solving that problem is going to take a long time.